D51Equipment.com. This is Komatsu D51 Bulldozer. You can look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call and get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website or send us an email with your full delivery address. Be happy to look into that for you. We'll share your delivery address with several brokers as well as local haulers to get you the best rate. As always, if you have a delivery driver you like using, you're welcome to pick it up yourself or have them come get it for you. It does have the 6-way blade on it. Big fan of the nose on this machine. It subs down quickly, that way you can get a lot more visibility of your blade and contact area. It does have a draw pin in case you need to hook it up to something. Full cab, factory AC and heat. Reversal arm. If you know anybody with idle heavy equipment, please share our website with them. Be happy to discuss our consignment service sales with them. That is our specialty. As always, see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. See, it's got good pushing power. Climb out while I check out the undercarriage. I'll hop up at the operator station. Island, so you get a good view of the interior. It does have the factory Komatsu seat in it. Alright. Sure, HVAC controls, throttle. It's going to control your tracks. It's your blade control. currently sitting at 8,737 hours. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. I hope it was beneficial to you and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day.